In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scheduling calendar to your Squarespace page. First, open your Squarespace site editor. This is the workspace where you manage pages, content blocks, and design. Make sure you're logged into the correct site and enter the editor so you can make live changes. Next, head to the page where you want your scheduling feature to appear. This could be your contact page, a dedicated Book Now page, or even your home page. Choose a spot that's easy for visitors to find, since accessibility can directly impact how many bookings you receive. On that page, add a new block or section. If your layout uses sections, click to add a new section and choose a simple layout that leaves room for the calendar. If you're working within an existing section, add a content block at the exact point you want the scheduler to sit. Leave a little breathing room above and below so it doesn't feel cramped next to other content. Now, choose the scheduling or embed option for your booking calendar. Many templates include a built-in scheduling block. If you see it, select it. If not, you can use an embed block. The scheduling block is the most direct option because it's designed to connect with Squarespace scheduling. The embed block is helpful if you already have an embed code or a public scheduling link you want to drop in. Connect or insert your Squarespace scheduling or Acuity booking view. Squarespace scheduling is the same platform formerly known as Acuity, so either term may appear. If you're using the scheduling block, you'll be prompted to connect your account and then choose the booking view you want to display, such as a specific calendar, category, or service list. If you're using the embed block, paste your secure embed code or the public scheduling page URL. Take a moment to confirm the correct calendar, time zone settings, and which services are visible to visitors. Preview the page and to make sure visitors can book correctly. Use the site's preview mode to see how the scheduler loads on desktop and mobile. Click through a test service, select a date and time, and confirm the checkout or confirmation flow appears as expected. If anything looks off, return to the block settings to adjust spacing, width, or the selected booking view. Finally, save the page and publish the scheduling block. In the editor, choose Done, then Save or Publish so your changes go live. Refresh your live page to confirm the scheduler displays smoothly. That's it. Your Squarespace page now accepts bookings and you're ready to start scheduling with ease.